Imagine this. More Americans died in a single snowstorm than in many famous wars. No enemy, no bombs, no warning. Just snow, wind, and silence. And yet, most Americans had never heard of it. No movies, no national memorials, barely a paragraph in history books. So today, we're asking one unsettling question. Why don't they teach this? It's winter in the United States. The year is 1888. No satellites, no radar, no weather forecasts. Only telegrams and hope. Across the Midwest and East Coast, families wake up to what seems like a normal winter morning. It's cold, but manageable. Children walk to school. Workers head to factories. Trains begin their daily routes. No one knows that within hours, America is about to experience the deadliest snowstorm in its history. The temperature drops fast. Rain turns to sleet. Sleet turns to heavy snow. Then the wind comes. Not a breeze, but a wall of air moving faster than most people can run. Visibility disappears. People standing just 10 feet apart can no longer see each other. Snowdrifts rise higher than doorways. Railroads vanish. Entire cities grind to a halt. And the storm doesn't stop for hours. Then days. America's greatest strength, its railroads, becomes its greatest weakness. Trains are trapped mid-route. Passengers are sealed inside frozen cars. Coal runs out. Heat disappears. Some people survive by burning seat cushions. Others don't survive at all. Horse-drawn streetcars freeze in place. Their operators abandon them right where they stand. Even the strongest engines cannot move. The country is suddenly immobile. Thousands are caught outdoors. Farmers, messengers, children walking home from school. The snow hides roads. The wind erases landmarks. People walk in circles until exhaustion takes over. Some collapse only yards from safety, never knowing how close they were. Rescuers later find bodies frozen in place, standing upright. The cold didn't just kill. It confused. It disoriented. It erased direction itself. Major American cities are paralyzed. Telegraph lines snap under the weight of ice. Communication stops. Hospitals lose access to supplies. Food deliveries never arrive. In some areas, fires burn uncontrollably because fire crews can't reach them. In others, families are trapped inside homes with no heat, no light, and no idea when help is coming. For days, America is cut into isolated islands of survival. When the storm finally ends, the truth emerges. More than 400 Americans are dead. Some estimates say far more. Entire families gone. Towns devastated. And yet, there is no national mourning, no sweeping reform, no moment in classrooms that says, "This almost broke the country." Instead, the storm fades into obscurity. Why was it forgotten? Because it didn't come from an enemy. Because there was no battlefield. Because nature doesn't sign surrender papers. And because admitting how unprepared the nation was uncomfortable. But this storm quietly changed America. Cities moved power lines underground. Weather forecasting improved. Emergency response systems evolved. Lessons were learned, even if the story was forgotten. Hundreds died, so future generations could be safer. But memory faded. So tonight, as winter winds howl outside your window, remember this. The deadliest disaster isn't always the loudest. And history doesn't always remember what it should. Why don't they teach this? If this story shocked you, share it. Because forgotten history stays forgotten until someone tells it again. Thanks for watching.